Begin by taking a deep breath and hold it for 5 seconds. Exhale and relax. Take another deep breath, as deeply as you can, and hold it. Count for 5 seconds. And as you exhale, just imagine blowing out all of your stress. Take a third deep breath and hold it. And as you exhale, blow out any stress you've been holding on to, saying to yourself, relax now. This is your new solution to stress. Whenever you become stressed in the future, you simply take 3 fully in and deep breaths, holding it at the top of the inhalation for 5 seconds. And when you exhale, blow out any stresses that you feel. And on the third breath as you exhale, you simply say to yourself, relax now.